Okay, let's try to get this incredible board, the Sony Spresense. You've got a carrier board there, you've got the actual board right here. I've got the program running that we're going to try to get running where it's just the LEDs flashing. I've got a camera here that I haven't hooked up yet. And I've Googled Spresense Arduino, gets me to this page. And the only thing that I'm interested here is this. So let's copy that link. That's the thing that you go into Arduino, you go to preferences, you put a comma, no space, well, I don't think a space, and we search for it. I might pause eventually after this, but let's go see how quick it is. So it's downloading that information, looks good. I tried Sony before and it didn't work, but Spresense was awesome, so let's install that. And while that's installing, have a look at this board. You can't see it, and I don't want to take it off. It's a little tricky to get to. There's what I think is an 80-pin connector on the back, and so it's connected. You can't really see it. Let's try that side. It's just pushed on top of that, and that allows the two boards to communicate. You still have all these pins with some nice headers there. It looks like you can adjust these headers here, but I've just got it out of the box. Looks like it's got SD card and plug for some sound stuff. And is that installed already? Wow. Okay. So then if you read blah, 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 you get to eventually you want to pick up different programmers. So let's see what we've got here. Let's go down, go down, go down, go down. Well, let's first of all just go to the board. Spresense. Spresense. Awesome. Now, there's a bunch of stuff about this programmer, the AVRISP. So let's go check that out. I've already done that on another one, but there it is, Spresense Firmware Updater. So after that, we got to burn the bootloader, and might as well see if I'm allowed to do it twice. Let's just see what happens here. Error while burning the bootloader. Let's see if we can double click. I might just pause here. I kind of had similar situation with the last time I was doing it. Oh, gotta pick my port. That's rather a beginner move there. Okay, where's my port? I'm guessing it's COM33, but last time I did this, I'm going to disconnect my board and connect it again. Hopefully I don't lose all my... and this could be simply because I've already ran it. COM33, let's give it a try. Burn bootloader. That's cool. It looks like it already did it. Okay, I was definitely looking different here. I've never used this board. Well, I used it last night. It was a little bit different when I did it the first time. So going down here a bit more, I didn't have to do that this time, probably because the board's already been done. So we copied that, we load it up here, we check that we're on a port. Not quite sure why it's not saying Spresense there, and we burn that to it. And let's see. So we're back to what looks like a bare, no LEDs flashing. And let's move this up a little bit so you can see it. It doesn't exist. So I'm just going to pause. So what I did, I shut down the Arduino IDE, and now when I go to Spresense, I get, you see it says the word Spresense there, which is a little bit better than it was before. So let's just see If I don't really want to save that, show you the information it gives. There we go. So it's now uploading. Notice the LEDs are not flashing. If you look at the code, it's just setting the 4 LEDs from high to low. Probably should check whether high is off or low is off, because some new boards do it the other way around. Anyway, here we go. And it's there you go. Hard to see with my terrible videos, but there you go. Pretty awesome. So let's just check a couple of things with this programming. I'm just going to ditch all of this and see if high actually turns on that. We can actually just throw it in the startup. I don't know which one is the right one. Make sure the port, fire it off, cancel that. So all we're trying to do is find out if high actually turns on the thing. A bunch of internal LEDs on boards are now using low because they've already got 3.3 volts on them. Let's see, it's compiling nice and quick. And it should just have one of the LEDs on. I'm assuming it's the one on the left, closest to the blue light, but we shall see. There we go, looks like it's reboot, and it is. So one light's on, so sorry about the quality of the video. Definitely that's LEDO, and high actually, which I really like because it's so counterintuitive the other way of doing it. Anyway, I think I'm done for now, and we'll come back to this when I can figure out how to do the edge impulse, either as an Arduino or as an actual impulse pre-made one.